In this video, I will showcase how you can use ChatGPT Voice Mode to play the children's game Guess the Animal. A new chat, and they have this use voice mode in ChatGPT. And you press this, you get up here, you can talk to ChatGPT. Hello, hello.
Hey there, I can hear you loud and clear. How's it going? Anything fun you want to chat about today?
This is voice mode, and you can ask ChatGPT any questions and other things. But let's play the game. Guess the animal. Do you know that, ChatGPT?
Oh, absolutely. I love that game. It's always fun to try and figure out what animal someone's thinking of. So go ahead and think of an animal, and I'll start asking you some questions to guess it.
Okay, I'm thinking also about an animal now. I have it in my head. Guess on.
All right, let's do this. First question, does your animal live on land, in the water, or maybe both?
It lives on land.
Got it. Does this animal usually have fur, feathers, or maybe scales?
I'm sure about the English word for everything. It has a skin. So it's a quick commercial break. If you like the video so far and want to see the ending, feel free to subscribe to the channel and like the video. And I will do a lot of more of these videos when I figure things out about AI and other stuff.
No worries at all. So it's got skin, no fur or feathers. Is it a large animal, like bigger than a dog, or is it smaller?
It's a large animal.
Okay, a large animal with skin. Got it. Does this animal happen to have a trunk, like an elephant, or not?
It has a trunk, like an elephant. It's elephant, so you have guessed it correctly.
Awesome, we got it. An elephant it is. That was a fun one. Elephants are such majestic animals. If you want to do another round, just let me know.
Yeah, let's switch roles here. You think about an animal and I will try to guess it.
All right, that sounds like fun. I've got an animal in mind now, so go ahead and ask me your first question whenever you're ready.
Do the animal have 4 legs?
Yes, it does have 4 legs. What's your next question?
I guess it lives on land.
Yep, you got it. It definitely lives on land. Keep those questions coming.
Do the animal live in Sweden?
Yes, it can be found in Sweden. So that definitely narrows it down a bit. Any guesses or more questions?
Is it a wild animal?
Yes, it is a wild animal, so that rules out the domestic ones. Getting closer.
Is it larger than a dog?
Yes, it is definitely larger than a dog. I think you're getting pretty close now.
Do people regularly meet these animals in the woods?
Yes, people definitely do see this animal in the woods in Sweden. I think you've almost got it.
Is it a moose or elk, what do you call it?
Yes, exactly. It's a moose. You got it. Well done. That was a great round.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
You're welcome. That was a lot of fun. Take care and talk to you later.
So, this was a quick demo of how we can use ChatGPT Voice Mode. I think you can do a limited amount of minutes on the free version. After a while it goes back to normal mode and not like the advanced chat. So if you want to try this, you do it once and see how far you get before your minutes are over. But you definitely can test it with the free version as well for a few minutes at least. And with the plus version as I have a lot more minutes to test it out. So let me know if you think this kind of tips is fun or do you want more. Have a nice day.